Let me show you what's happening out there right now. There's the heat index, 110 plus. It's still in effect, the excessive heat warning for North Texas. That goes through 8 tonight, and then we transition into just a plain old-fashioned heat advisory. We don't have those. We don't have these that often in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and North Texas. It's not unheard of. It's not rare. They just don't happen, you know, dozens of times a year. These happen a lot, but you shouldn't take these too lightly either. The heat advisory that I'm referring to, so the excessive heat warning, heat index values of 110 plus. The heat advisory is heat index values up to 110. The other one is over 110. So it's still going to be hot, just not as hot. For example, right now in Dallas, it's 97. It feels like 102. In Denton, it's 103. It feels like 108. Right now in Richardson, it's 100. Mesquite's 97, Terrell's 95, 99 in Arlington, the same in Grand Prairie, the same at DFW. Fort Worth's 101, 100 in Benbrook, 101 in Alliance. Look at Weatherford. Weatherford and Bridgeport right now, it's 106. You figure in the humidity, and there's really no humidity out here to speak of. So big difference between this week and last week. Dallas, it feels like 102. Frisco 103, feels like 108 in Plano, 106 in Terrell, 103 in Kaufman. It's funny, I just saw these colors here for just a second, and somebody on the tweeter said, can you quit scaring us with these colors? You're showing all these pink colors. I'm like, it's like the default color palette of the weather system that everyone across the United States uses. So we're not trying to scare anybody. It's just the default color palette. So anyway, I digress, as I often do. 101 was the high today. The morning low was 79. The normals are 93 and 74. And as I mentioned, 99 at DFW. Feels like 105. We have a southeast breeze right now up to 17. We did not have one at all last week when it was just stifling. Grass today's moderate. Fungus today, that is low. Clear skies here for us right now. Big ridge of high pressure. So all the rain and the cloud covers on the edge of this big ridge of high pressure, sinking air. To have clouds and rain, you have to have rising air. This is sinking air, so that just really shuts all of that potential down. As it slowly moves off to the east, here's a 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. It's slowly, very slowly moves to the east of us, and as it does, it will be, it'll start to weaken. You can see how it went from this big to this big. So it's in a weakening trend, and as we head into the weekend, it'll move out of the state of Texas. That will allow a little bit of rain, it'll allow a little bit of cloud cover, and slightly cooler temperatures. So the triple digits and Friday, and then it's just 98 or 99 on Saturday. 81's the low tonight, breezy, warm, and muggy. 101 again tomorrow, breezy, hot, and humid. And remember, Friday's the last triple-digit day at 100. Then we're at 98 on Saturday, 96 on Sunday. Remember, as that big H, the big high pressure, moves away and weakens, temperatures drop into the middle to upper 90s, and that will also allow for a little bit of rain in the forecast. Not much, but a little bit as we head through the next, let's Saturday to Saturday. So that 7-8 day period will have a little bit of rain there, middle to upper 90s, and you know, slightly lower humidity and at least not triple-digit temperatures. So we have that going for us. You know, I talked to Mike Leslie last night, and I said I haven't seen Jonah in a long time. Is he still here? And he said no.
We look exactly the same.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you know, people get us confused every day. You're Mike Leslie, right? Yes.
Yeah.